Here's a quick video of our board track racer we're putting together. Right now we're just waiting for the engine to come in so we can finish mocking it up. Finish off a few little details, then we'll get it ready to paint it. It's turning out okay. We've never done this before, so watched plenty of videos. Hughes Motorized, Motored Life, pretty good guys. Put some extra plates right here, down here. Put some back here, just give it a little more. And of course when the engine comes, we'll run the cross brace here and build us a gas tank. We're going to extend the handlebars like they do on the Indian board track racers. That's it for now. Hopefully the kit comes in this week and we'll be able to finish this thing up. Later, guys.